And in this video I will teach you some miscellaneous problems of differentiation. These are some important problems. Many problems are there. You should do and verify the answers from the book. Take the screenshot of these problems. I will do it one by one, but mind it, I am doing this method in different tricky methods. Okay. Look at question number 1. It is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Many students are doing this problem by putting x is equal to tan theta. So it becomes tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, that is tan 2 theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta, 2 theta, again theta is tan inverse x. But you should know this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Now z is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. There is no need to put x is equal to tan theta. It is also directly the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Also there is one technique. Don't find the derivative dy by dx suddenly. Okay? Then dz by dx suddenly. There is no need at all. Because here y is equal to z. Understand it? Y is equal to z. If y is equal to z, we have to find y derivative, we have to find differentiation of this y with respect to z. Y with respect to z means we have to find dy by dz. Like, look at here, y is equal to, here y 2 tan inverse x, z 2 tan inverse x. Y is equal to z, dy by dz1. Only very simple 3 lines problem. Okay. Look at question number 2. It is y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2 x square minus 1. And don't put there x is equal to cos theta. You can do also by putting x is equal to cos theta. But directly sec inverse 1 by something is cos inverse 2x square minus 1. And cos inverse 2x square minus 1 is 2 cos inverse x. Now dy by dx is minus 2 by 1 minus x square root over. And z is equal to 1 minus x square root over. Directly find the derivative dz by dx. It is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square root over into derivative of 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. Now it is very simple for you to find dy by dz. First find dy by dx, then find dz by dx, then divide it. The answer is 2 by x. Okay. In my method, sin x is equal to this, x is equal to sin inverse 2t by 1 plus t square. Don't put there from value t is equal to anything, here tan theta. Directly write x is equal to 2 tan inverse t because it is the formula. Similarly, y is equal to 2 tan inverse t. Don't find the derivative of x with respect to t. Don't find dy by dt. Then don't tell to find dy by dx by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. It is the direct way. Y to tan inverse x to tan inverse y is equal to x, simply dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay. Number 6, I have done a small mistake here. Sin y is 2t by 1 plus t square, not root over. So here put t is cos x this. Put t is equal to tan theta. It becomes cos x is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square theta root over. This is 1 by sec square theta root over 1 by sec theta. It becomes cos theta. Cos x is equal to cos theta. So simply x is equal to theta. I am putting it box. I am not taking the differentiation. Mind it. And sin y is equal to t by 1 plus t square. I am putting t is equal to that tan theta again. It becomes 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. You know it is sin 2 theta. Sin y is equal to sin 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. I am putting box here. Now I am making one relation. It is a different style. Okay, it is different style. What is that? I am not finding dx by d theta or dy by d theta or dx by dt. I am not interested to find it. I am interested to do the problem in direct method. What is that? Y is equal to 2x. Simply dy by dx 2. Okay. आपने सब क्रिकेट मैच देखा है? तो डिफरेंट स्टाइल का शॉट किसका है? हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट किसका है? धोनी का. क्योंकि वो डिफरेंट स्टाइल का बैटिंग करता है. तुम भी करो ना यार डिफरेंट स्टाइल का मैथमेटिक्स. देखो This is x is equal to sine 2u root over y is equal to cos 2u root over. One can do this problem by finding dx by du, dy by du. Then dy by dx is dy by du into dx by du. It's a general sort one. लेकिन हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट कैसे होता है? Look at here. This is x, this is y. So take x fourth. It is sine square 2u naturally, and y fourth is cos. It is x fourth is sine square 2u, and y fourth is cos square 2u. And now add them. X fourth plus y fourth is equal to 1. Take differentiate. We have our aim to find dy by dx. So differentiate this line with respect to x. It becomes 4x cube. It becomes 4y cube dy by dx, and it is one derivative is 0. So dy by dx is minus x cube y cube. हुआ कि नहीं? ठीक साथ हुआ कि नहीं? Then look at minus x by y the whole cube. What is x? Put there. X is equal to what? X is equal to sine 2u root over. What is y? Cos 2y root over. Then it is minus tan 2u whole to the power 3 by 2. It is a different helicopter shot. Practice it. Your mind should be different than any other students. Okay? Mistakenly I have also forgotten x. Take a bracket of this. Now look at this problem. X is very simple. X is equal to a cos t log tan t by 2 dx by dt. I am taking here what? Okay. It's a mistake. Minus a cos derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Okay, and it becomes it is the cos t derivative of cos t minus sin t, and the derivative of log tan t by 2 is a sec square 1 by tan t by 2. Log something derivative is 1 by tan that thing into derivative of tan t by 2. It is sec square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2, that is half. Mistakenly many students in their exam paper they forgot to write this half. This is a great mistake. Now it becomes what? 2 tan t by 2 by, and take this sec square x by 2 to this denominator and convert to tan, that is 1 plus tan square t by 2, and it becomes minus sin t plus, this is the formula of tan t, plus 1 by sin, this is the formula of sin t, it becomes 1 by sin t. Take LCM sin t, it is minus sin square t plus 1 or 1 minus sin square t, and you know 1 minus sin square t is what? Cos square t. A cos square t by sin t. If y is equal to a cos t, then clearly dy by dt is equal to a cos t. Now dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is a cos t into 1 by dx by dt. I am directly doing, taking sin t to numerator and a cos square t to denominator. It becomes what? Tan t. Okay. This is number 3. I am doing this. It is I have mistakenly forgotten to write ln. So this is first you take y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x root over. Then you can find the derivative in direct manner, but I am doing in tricky way. And you know cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So in cos 90 plus x is minus sin x, minus it is plus sin x. So in place of sin x I am writing minus cos pi by 2 plus x, and in place of minus sin x I am writing plus cos pi by 2 plus x, and applying the formula 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta root over, it is tan theta by 2. Okay, you have to remember, when you will face the exam, you have to remember the tricky formulas, so that your time in the examination hall is 180 minutes. No one will give you 1 minute extra. If you will do in tricky methods, short methods, your time will save. I am repeatedly telling you, if your time will save, then you will conquer in your exam. So this is the method. It is the formula tan theta by 2. It is tan inverse tan theta by 2 means pi by 2 plus x by 2 means pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now it is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Its derivative is half. Then I will do is z is equal to 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x, I will take the differentiation. Okay. Now z is equal to ln 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x dz by dx. Ln something is what? 1 by 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x, d by dx of 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Ln box, 1 by box, derivative box. That is, I am taking this 1 minus cos x to upper and 1 plus cos x to lower part. Then taking differentiating 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x, it becomes 1 minus cos x whole into v derivative of u minus sin x minus u 1 plus cos x into derivative of this is sin x, because derivative 1 0, derivative cos x minus sin x minus plus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x whole square. It becomes 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into, take common sin x, take multiply minus 1 plus cos x, and if we will take sin x, it becomes minus 1 minus cos x. After, and this is 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x, cancel 1 minus cos x, it becomes minus 2 sin x, and after multiplication it becomes 1 minus cos square x, that is 1 minus cos square x sin square x minus 2 sin x by sin square x, which becomes minus 2 by sin x, and dy by dz is dy by dx divided by dz by dx, that is 1 by 2 minus 2 by sin x, 1 by 2 minus sin x by 2, which becomes minus 1 by 4 sin x. Now look at the problem. X is equal to cos inverse 1 by 1 plus t square root over, y is equal to t by t square plus 1 root over. Many students are doing this problem in their examination by putting t is equal to tan theta. Oof, that is very long method. This is a very simple method. Look at this diagram. This is the Pythagoras diagram, and you know cos theta is b by h. B is 1, h is t square plus 1, and your perpendicular is this square minus this square root over, that is t, and x is equal to sin inverse t by 1 plus t square. This is root over. Then relate with x and y. It is clearly y is equal to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1. What is bother about it? It's a very simple method. I am putting an extra question number 9 and taking it to the place A. Y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power x dot 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 dot. Now there was a very good, very interesting Odia song. Are 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 purukina udi gala boni. Here, look at here. Are purukina udi gala boni. Y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power x dot 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 dot. Then what will happen? Y is equal to x to the power y. Why it is y? Because if you will take x to the power x to the power x to the power x dot 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 dot, it is going towards what? Infinite. Suppose from infinite I am taking 1. Suppose समुंदर में एक ग्लास पानी में ले गया, समुंदर को क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ, वही समुंदर ही रह गया. So y is equal to क्या बना? X to the power y. Now you are coming to the position y is equal to x to the power y. Ln y is equal to ln x to the power y. Taking y into ln x. Now ln y is equal to this. Taking differentiate this d by dx ln y is equal to d by dx of y ln x. Now when you differentiate this, it becomes 1 by y dy by dx is equal to y. Derivative of ln x is what? 1 by x plus ln x dy by dx. And here this is dy by dx term. Here it is dy by dx term. So take common, no problem. 1 by y minus ln x into dy by dx. It is just y by x. Coming to this side, it becomes 1 minus y ln x y into dy by dx is what? Is equal to y by x. Then this dy by dx is equal to x. Sorry, this is equal to y square by x into 1 minus y ln x. ओके कैसा लगा फुरकिना उड़ी गला बनी ओके now again the furkina udi gala bani y is equal to sin x plus sin x plus sin x root over when you will take the square in that problem x to the power x udi gala in this problem root over so if you will take y square then one root over will open it becomes sin x plus this much another tends to infinite and it is again y square is equal to sin x plus y differentiating 2y dy by dx it is cos x dy by dx taking one side do 2y minus 1 dy by dx cos x so dy by dx is cos x divided by 2y minus 1 okay and please y is equal to 1 by 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1 by खसी गला गोड़ो तळकु तळकु look at here y is equal to 1 by x plus this is what y now y is equal to 1 by x plus y just multiply xy plus y square 1 then differentiate this applying product rule x derivative y derivative x is 1 and its derivative is 2y divided by dx now take common x plus 2y divided by dx is equal to this goes to right side it becomes minus y so dy by dx is equal to minus y divided by x plus 2y and look at this problem y is equal to ln x plus dot okay and it becomes what y is equal to ln what x plus y if I am taking this as y because you know from the problem a b c it's taking as y and ln x plus y 1 by x plus y derivative x plus y is 1 derivative y is divided by dx it is 1 by x plus y into 1 by x plus y into dy by dx taking to one side it becomes dy by dx 1 minus 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by x plus y okay now dy by dx after simplifying it becomes x plus y minus 1 divided by x plus y is equal to 1 by x plus y then dy by dx is 1 by x plus y minus 1 okay now look at this problem this is a different style problem I am doing cos y is equal to x cos a plus y and we have to reach at the point dy by dx is this many students are doing just differentiating the both sides here 1 y then by differentiating they apply the product rule okay or in different manner also they can do it take x is equal to cos y by cos a plus y many students were also taking x this but after that they are doing they are doing d by dx of x but it is in a different style from my side I am taking d by dy of x because it is totally y things so I am differentiating this with respect to y this becomes d by dy of x and this becomes d by dy of this cos y by cos a plus y then applying the formula derivative of v derivative of cos y it is minus sin y and with respect to y there is no need to write anything minus u means cos y derivative of cos a plus y minus sin a plus y derivative a plus y is what 1 by cos square a plus y it becomes what now minus plus sin a plus y cos y minus cos a plus y sin y divided by cos square a plus y sin a cos b cos a sin b it is formula of sin a minus b by cos square a plus y it becomes sin y by cos square a plus y now it is dx by dy you can do just by reversing it becomes dy by dx okay it is cos square a plus y by sin y यही गूगली का बॉल है today I have done 3 to 4 questions written wrongly so you have take one correction it becomes phi plus theta d phi by d theta is equal to 0 okay now look at the problem question b e to the power theta phi is equal to 3 plus 4 theta phi differentiate with respect to theta okay both sides it becomes 0 You take 4 outside and it is e to the power theta phi d by d theta of theta phi 4 d by d theta of theta phi. Here it is very important trick. If there is same thing in left side, same function of theta phi in right side, don't open it. Just take to one side and then kick out it. E to the power theta phi minus 4 and d by d theta of theta phi 0. Kick out it. It becomes d by d theta of theta phi is equal to 0. Now you can differentiate, getting your answer. That is the last step.